In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Shopify theme. Backing up your theme is the safest way to protect your storefront design before you install new apps, edit code, or try a redesign. I'll walk you through two reliable methods: duplicating the theme inside Shopify and downloading a copy to store on your computer. Start by opening your browser and heading to shopify.com. Click Login at the top, then sign in using your preferred method. Once you're in your Shopify admin, make sure you're working in the correct store if you manage more than one, so the backup goes exactly where you expect. From the left-hand panel in your admin dashboard, click Online Store. This opens the Themes area where you'll see your current published theme and any unpublished themes you may be testing. Find the theme you want to back up. It can be your live theme or any other theme in your library. Next, click the three-dot icon beside that theme. From the menu that appears, choose Duplicate. Shopify will start creating an internal copy of the theme. You'll see the duplicate appear in your theme list, often labeled as a copy of the original. This may take a moment if your theme is large. The duplicate includes your theme's code and settings, giving you a safe sandbox to experiment with design changes without touching your live store. If you plan to work on it, consider using the duplicate for edits and publish it only when you're ready. For an extra layer of safety, you can also keep an offline backup. Click the same three-dot icon beside the theme and select Download. Shopify will email you a link to download a zip file of the theme. When the email arrives, save that zip file to a secure location such as cloud storage or an external drive. Adding the date to the file name can help you track versions over time. Keep in mind that this zip contains your theme files, not store data like products or orders. If you don't see the option to duplicate or download, you may need the appropriate permissions for themes in your user role. Also, large themes can take a little longer to process, so give it a minute and refresh the page if needed. That's it. Log in, open Online Store, and use the three dots to duplicate or download your theme. With these backups in place, you'll have the confidence to make changes knowing you can always roll back. Thanks for watching and happy building.